Worried about your Tally interview? Now, with the help of Eklavya.ai, you can prepare for your Tally interview in any language of your choice. Our AI interviewer will ask you questions related to Tally based on your profile, experience, and the position you reapplying for. You can respond to these questions, and your voice will be recorded. The AI interviewer will probe you just like a real-life interviewer. The best part is, at the end of the interview, you'll receive detailed feedback about your performance, your knowledge of Tally, and accounting practices. Boost your confidence with AI Tally interview preparation at Eklavya.ai. Prepare for your interview at a fraction of the cost with the help of our AI interviewer. Get started today at Eklavya.ai. Eklavya.ai, your path to success. Let's check demo of it now. Let us take a closer look at the available facilities. You can choose between beginner, intermediate, or advanced levels for the Tally interview. If you reapplying for an entry-level position, select the beginner level. For mid-level positions requiring 2 to 3 years of experience, choose the intermediate level. If you need advanced knowledge for a more senior role related to Tally ERP, opt for the advanced level. One major advantage is that the Tally interview can be conducted in any language of your choice, making it easier to prepare with the help of an AI interviewer. The first step is to purchase the Tally interview preparatory product from Eklavya.ai. Once you've made the purchase, you need to upload your latest profile to the system. The AI will then analyze your profile, understanding your experience, your competency level in accounting, your knowledge of Tally, and the number of years of experience you have. Based on this analysis, the system will start the interview process. During the interview, you will respond to questions as per your knowledge. The AI interviewer will analyze your responses and ask follow-up questions accordingly. At the end of the interaction, you will receive a detailed analysis of your interview performance. This includes an understanding of your strengths and areas for improvement, as well as ideal answers to the questions posed. One of the best features is that you can take this interview in your preferred language. At the end of the interview, you'll receive a detailed skill-based rating. The AI interviewer will evaluate your knowledge of advanced Tally features, customization and integration, reporting and analysis skills, as well as troubleshooting and error handling processes. Best practices and efficiency associated with the Tally will also be assessed. Additionally, your familiarity with Tally ERP 9 and Tally Prime will be evaluated. The system provides a comprehensive skill-based report based on your performance in the interview. With Eklavya.ai, your overall preparation for the Tally interview will become much more efficient and effective. You'll gain confidence and be well prepared to tackle your interview successfully. Register for your practice interview of Tally. Visit www.eklavya.ai today.